Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best cordless mini chainsaw available on Amazon. In the world of woodcutting, gardening, and camping, having a reliable and portable tool is essential. These remarkable products have undergone extensive research and testing, ensuring that only the finest options make it to this coveted list. Whether you're seeking unrivaled quality or exceptional value for your hard-earned money, rest assured, I've got you covered. Join me in this video where I'll provide an in-depth analysis of each product, highlighting their unique strengths and potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Regardless of whether you're an experienced enthusiast or new to the game, there's something here to pique your interest. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 selection. Number 1. Saker Mini Portable Electric Cordless Chainsaw. In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency have become paramount, even in the realm of gardening and outdoor maintenance. The Saker Mini Chainsaw emerges as a game-changer, offering the perfect blend of portability, power, and ease of use. With the Saker Mini Chainsaw, you bid farewell to the limitations of traditional chainsaws tethered to cords or reliant on fuel. This innovative chainsaw runs on a powerful battery, providing cordless freedom to maneuver and prune with unparalleled ease. Say goodbye to the hassle of extension cords, messy fuel mixing, and limited mobility. Whether you're working in a crowded courtyard or navigating dense garden foliage, this chainsaw excels in delivering precise cuts effortlessly. Number 2. BOSCH Cordless Mini Chainsaw. This cordless mini chainsaw liberates you from the constraints of tangled cords and limited mobility. With its battery-powered operation, you can work freely without worrying about being restricted by power outlets or extension cords. Experience the freedom to move effortlessly while maintaining precise control over your cutting tasks. Don't be deceived by its compact size. The cordless mini chainsaw packs a punch with its impressive cutting capabilities. Featuring a 6-inch cutting bar, it effortlessly slices through wood with precision and efficiency. Whether you're tackling small branches or undertaking larger woodcutting projects, this chainsaw proves to be a reliable companion. And the cordless mini chainsaw comes with two rechargeable 24V 2000 mAh batteries, ensuring extended run time for uninterrupted cutting sessions. Each battery offers ample power to tackle multiple projects before requiring a recharge. The tool-less chain tensioning system allows for quick and effortless adjustments, ensuring optimal cutting performance without the need for additional tools. Number 3. Zikapomi Mini Cordless Electric Chainsaw. This mini chainsaw cordless is designed with portability in mind. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to handle and maneuver, even in tight spaces. Whether you're pruning branches in your backyard or cutting wood for a DIY project, this handheld chainsaw provides excellent control and maneuverability. With 2 included batteries, the mini chainsaw cordless offers extended runtime for uninterrupted cutting sessions. Each battery provides ample power to handle multiple projects before needing a recharge. The convenience of having a spare battery ensures that you can continue your cutting tasks without interruptions or delays. Maintaining the mini chainsaw cordless is hassle-free. The tool features a tool-less chain tensioning system, allowing for quick and effortless adjustments. You can easily tighten or replace the chains without the need for additional tools. This user-friendly design simplifies maintenance and ensures optimal cutting performance. Number 4. DONJIN Mini Chainsaw Cordless with 2 batteries. When it comes to tackling small woodcutting tasks, pruning branches, and maintaining a well-groomed garden, having a reliable and portable tool is essential. The mini chainsaw cordless with 2 battery offers a compact and efficient solution, combining power and convenience in a handheld design. Maintaining the mini chainsaw cordless is a breeze. It comes with a replacement chain, allowing you to quickly and easily replace the chain when needed. The tool's user-friendly design ensures that you spend less time on maintenance and more time on your cutting tasks. Keep your chainsaw in optimal cutting condition without the hassle of complicated chain replacement processes. Safety is paramount when working with power tools, and the mini chainsaw cordless prioritizes your well-being. It features safety measures such as a safety lock to prevent accidental startups, ensuring your peace of mind during storage and transportation. Number 5. Natalie Mini Chainsaw 6-inch Cordless. The Natalie Mini Chainsaw is equipped with an upgraded 6-inch cutting bar and a high-performance brushless motor. This combination delivers powerful cutting performance with enhanced efficiency. Whether you're cutting small branches or undertaking more substantial woodcutting projects, this chainsaw provides precise and effortless cuts, saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of the Natalie mini chainsaw is its compact and portable design. It is specifically engineered for one-handed operation, allowing you to easily maneuver the chainsaw in tight spaces and difficult-to-reach areas. Whether you're pruning tree branches or cutting firewood, this lightweight and ergonomic chainsaw provides excellent control and comfort. Maintaining the Natalie mini chainsaw is hassle-free thanks to its easy chain replacement system. When the chain needs to be replaced or adjusted, it can be done quickly and without the need for additional tools. This user-friendly feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on your cutting tasks without interruptions. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?